Hey there, welcome to Design Dimension. If you've ever struggled with understanding colors, mixing them, or even just choosing the right ones for your project, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into color theory, simplified and beginner-friendly, in just 15 minutes. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident using colors like a pro. First, what is color theory? Simply put, it's the science and art of using colors. It's all about understanding how colors interact and how they make us feel. And at the heart of it all is this, the color wheel. The color wheel organizes colors in a way that helps us understand their relationships. Let's start with the basics. Primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. These are pure colors. You can't mix other colors to make them. Secondary colors: green, orange, and purple. These are made by mixing two primary colors. Tertiary colors. These are the in-between colors, like red-orange or blue-green, made by mixing a primary with a secondary color. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about how to combine colors effectively using color harmonies. These are formulas based on the color wheel that make your designs visually appealing. Complementary colors. These are colors opposite each other on the wheel, like blue and orange. They're high contrast and create a vibrant, eye-catching look, perfect for making elements stand out. Analogous colors. These are neighbors on the wheel, like blue, blue-green, and green. They're more harmonious and calming, great for subtle, cohesive designs. Triadic colors. Imagine an equilateral triangle on the wheel. This harmony gives you three evenly spaced colors, like red, yellow, and blue. It's balanced and dynamic. Monochromatic colors. These stick to one hue, but use different shades, tints, and tones. It's simple, yet effective for minimalistic and sophisticated designs. Colors can also be divided into two groups, warm and cool. Warm colors, think red, orange, and yellow. These are energetic, inviting, and associated with passion and warmth. Cool colors, think blue, green, and purple. These feel calm, soothing, and professional. Knowing the mood you want to create can help you decide between warm and cool tones. Now that you know the basics, here are a few quick tips to help you apply color theory to your projects. Use a tool. Tools like Adobe Color or Canva's Color Palette Generator are lifesavers for finding harmonies. 2. Limit your palette. Stick to 3-5 colors in a project to avoid overwhelming your audience. 3. Experiment with contrast. Use light and dark colors to create emphasis and guide the viewer's eye. 4. Don't forget about neutrals. White, black, and gray are essential for balancing bold colors. Test and tweak. Color on screen can look different when printed or viewed on another device, so always double-check. And that's it. Color theory simplified for beginners. Whether you're working on a design project, decorating your room, or just picking an outfit, understanding color theory can make a huge difference. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Design Dimension for more design tips and tricks. See you in the next video.